Here we are in Port Neches, Texas, starting out at the post office. Let's check out their little downtown. Not really much to it, but it's worthy for a stroll. Not too many old buildings in this downtown, but there's enough interesting buildings to make a video, and Port Neches is really an awesome town. And unlike Nederland, they do have an antique store. This is a nice big old building. And it's for sale. It could be yours. This might be a little longer video than I planned because this place is spread out. There you go. Some copyrighted music for the channel. Right there used to be a brewery, but they've shut down. Only went there once. This architecture style that we're seeing right here is very prevalent on this street. It's very interesting. I'm not sure how old it is. It's probably from the 60s. Okay. Turn around and make our way back. Here's the senior center. What do seniors do at a senior center? Do they play bingo? Talk about the good old days? There's the Port Neches Brewing. It didn't quite make it. The brewery in Nederland is still there, so that's good. So many breweries in Texas are shutting down. I'm not quite sure what's up with that. I'm guessing it might be an oversaturation or all these breweries are just getting in too much debt. Who knows? But we are losing breweries right and left. Here's the Avenue X Sports Bar. I wonder if that's one of those places where you get to throw axes at a big old board. That's kind of a new popular thing nowadays. It's the most American thing I can think of. Drink beers and throw axes. What could go wrong? Bit of a mural right here at the Florist. The cherry tree. More of that architecture I was talking about. The Yellow Rose. Okay, that's another antique store. I've been to that one before. It's a good one. So we got two antique stores. And we got our ice cream shop on Montgomery Street. Mike's Soda Fountain. And you can get a refrigerated cooler for 150 bucks. Alright, there you have it. Fort Neches, Texas. Thanks for strolling around with me on this short little walk down. I don't even know what the name of the street is, but walk down Fort Neches. And remember, you are all dearly loved. Oop, I'm gonna get run over. Jaywalking. I'll see y'all. We're still by Fort Neches Park. We got the little water features over there for the kids. But the reason why we're stopping is this interesting little jail building. Is this a calaboose? Is this what is considered a Texas calaboose? I've just learned about these little small jails recently, and I spotted one in a small town about a couple of months ago. And I just found this pretty interesting. We're only a block away from the city hall, the Fort Neches public buildings. So this might have been just their mini jail whenever they were starting out. Maybe a 3-cell jail. Can't tell. Yeah. 2 or 3 cells. Got a tree growing off the roof. So, very interesting building. If anybody from Fort Neches knows anything about it, say so in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And here's a little historical marker. about Joseph Grigsby, who helped found this town. Looks like he had a very interesting life. Very cool. There you have it. Little Mr. Joe in Port Neches, Texas. All right. There's a city hall down the road right there. All right. Hello everyone, we are at Port Neches Riverfront Park. There's a couple of restaurants out here. And here are the boat ramps. There's a few more over there, I believe. We're on the Neches River. It's just a nice little park. I just wanted to show you these big old tugboats. So let's take a look. This is a Sunday afternoon and people are out just relaxing. There's a lot of people just sitting in their cars just looking at the water. That's how you do it. You can sit in the air conditioner and enjoy the water. I'm not sure how close I can get to these boats, but we'll see how far we can go before we have to stop. Looks like there's a Coast Guard boat out on the other side of that tugboat. Yep. I can't get very close at all. Florida and the Andrew K. All right, there you have it. Port Neches Park. Oh, I see classic cars. So we're gonna have to take a look at these before we shut off the video. This is a great place to have a car show. It's a beautiful Model A right there. A couple of Corvettes. Wow, it's nice. Here's a Camaro Z28, beautiful. Here's a Chevy truck, 1968, beautiful. That's a gorgeous truck. All right. We've seen the park. I just wanted to show you all that. And I'll see you next time.